Hey guys, what is up? John Carmani back again with another tech video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, as many of you know, this is Apple's brand new top-of-the-line smartphone. I just picked it up. I had pre-ordered it on November 6th, and it just released today. I got mine directly from Apple. Now, this phone retails for $1,100, and you can get it at Apple, like I said, but you can also get it at places like Target, Best Buy, Amazon, or your carrier. I have the gold model right here. It's 128 gigabytes. And yeah, without further ado, I guess let's get right into it. As you guys can see, it's definitely gold because it has the gold iPhone lettering and the gold wallpaper. The box is really thin. I mean, I have an 11 Pro Max box right here. And you can see just the difference. And I'll tell you why that is as soon as we open it. But wow. So good on Apple for reducing the size. Helps save our planet. So let's get right into it. I'm not going to turn it around because all the sensitive information is on the back, the IMEI and whatnot. So let's just take the wrap off. Okay, we'll put that to the side. Give me 1 second. All right, back to the phone. Wow, great looking box. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold 128 gigabyte. It's finally here. I ordered it a week ago, and I was surprised. I was a little bit late, but I was still able to get the launch day stock. So thank God I have it here. Would have sucked if I didn't, but hey, I do. So let's get this unboxed and let's see what's in here. That's it right there. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, let's see how I want to do this. Wow, this is a great looking color. You know, I debated which color to get, and I did narrow it down, not really. I kind of just threw silver out the door as soon as the colors were announced because I've had silver before. Wow, this looks amazing. And I was really choosing between Pacific Blue, Graphite, and Gold, so I went with Pacific Blue and Gold. Those are the two best looking colors to me. Wow, I mean, I don't know what kind of treatment they've given to this gold surface, like on the sides, the edges, but they're like very gold. Like, I don't know how to, I know that sounds funny, but they've applied a special coating to it to make it like, you know, look like real genuine gold. And I think it might even be plated. I'm not sure it looks that real. As you guys can see over here, it's a quad cam setup. There's a regular lens, there's a telephoto lens, there's an ultra-wide lens, and then this fourth one that they added just this year is a LiDAR lens. Now, the LiDAR helps with autofocusing, with portrait mode at night, and you can do a whole bunch of AR-related stuff with it. It's mainly just there for the camera improvements, but this is one of the cameras you get only on the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, not on the regular 12s. So it is something that they changed up this year. So it's a quad cam instead of a triple cam. And also this phone's sensor, right, is the biggest out of all the other iPhone 12. So you're going to get the best low light performance and presumably the best natural bokeh when you take your pictures. And also this phone has a further zoom, 2.5x compared to 2x on the iPhone 12 Pro. And the regular iPhone 12s don't even have a zoom camera. So that's great. You get the best of the best of the best cameras on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now let's zoom back out. Let's put this to the side and let's see what else we get in the box. Now we get a USB-C to Lightning cable, but you guys might be noticing that there's only a design by Apple in California and there's nothing under it. I mean, the Apple stickers are in here. I'm not going to take them out for the purposes of the video, but there is one Apple sticker in here instead of two. And as you guys saw, under here, there's no charging brick. And so that's because Apple believes that it's been so many years of people hoarding up charging bricks that they might as well just not include it, the same way that they got rid of the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So they thought, hey, if we get rid of it, we can reduce the size of the box down to even less than half. We can fit twice as many iPhones on one truck, save a lot of, save a lot of energy and save the planet, really. So, I mean, yeah, you do have to go out of your way to get a charger if you don't have one, but I assume a lot of people by now have a charger lying around and that they can use on day one. Um, Granted, it may not be the fastest charging, but at least you do have a charger already, and you don't have to open the one that's in your box. So, I guess that's a pro. I've been telling people to do that for years. Just leave whatever's in your box the way it is and buy a separate charger, so that when you sell your phone, it sells for higher, because people really like to have that charger and cable be in good condition. So I'm getting off on a tangent here. Let's put the box to the side and let's just take the plastic wrap off the phone. I'm going to boot the phone up, but we are not going to be reviewing the phone in this video. This is just an unboxing, and so the full review will have a lot of other aspects in it, so I can't just give a full review when I haven't even gotten to use the phone, really. And so this is new this year. They put a white paper on the front instead of having the typical plastic wrap. I mean, that's the way they decided to do it this year, and it looks pretty cool. And then there's little indicators for the buttons. I don't know why you would need those if you're going to be pulling this off anyway. But yeah, let's go ahead. Well, that didn't feel as satisfying as last year, but okay. And I can already see that the side is picking up a lot of fingerprints, so this is going to be fingerprint magnets, so you guys should definitely skin it out like I plan on doing if you can. And so I'm booting this up now. There we go, Apple logo. And by the way, if you guys can't tell already, this is a new 6.7-inch display this time around, as compared to last year's 6.5-inch. And there's a brand new design, so it's a boxy, flat screen design. Last year they used to use that 2.5D curved glass, and so because of that design, they can basically make the screen even bigger to 6.7 compared to the 6.5 it was at with the 11 Pro Max and the 10s Max. So yeah, I mean, this is what it looks like all booted up, and I think it kind of does come off on video as a little bit bigger, and that's because it is. But overall, the bezel size is really thin on the bottom, even thinner than it was with the 11 Pro Max, and no one had complaints last year. It's an even border that goes all the way across. The notch is the same size. They changed the shape a little bit, and you get, of course, more area on the sides of the notch because the phone is bigger now. But very happy with this upgrade, design upgrade, bezel upgrade, and everything like that. And the color is just awesome. So let me put the phone down and turn it off. And so right here is perfect. Okay. So gold iPhone 12 Pro Max, 128GB. It's probably going to take me about a week or two to give you guys a full review. I have to go out and take pictures. I have to, kind of get into the groove of the phone. You can't have a full review just a minute after opening it, of course. And so far, I'm very happy with, the build. And that's really the only thing I can really comment on until I get further into the phone and start using it. But yeah, I'm impressed so far, and I like the new box design. I like the new approach. I like the new design approach. The screen size getting bigger, sign me up. I'm always for bigger screens. But besides that, I guess that's really it. Again, let me just quickly show it again, the sides, and wow, it's getting dirty. Very gold sides, and let me zoom in on that. It's a very, very polished, high polish gold finish, and the cameras, same thing. I think it's beautiful, really. Wow, it's amazing. And the finish on the back, of course, is that matte textured glass, very luxurious. And one thing I didn't mention to you guys that you guys may be confused about if you get the phone is on the right side you may see this. Now this is not the SIM card slot. That's right here. This is actually an opening for the millimeter wave antennas for super fast 5G. So this will actually usually come on the American model only, I believe. So if you're in America, you're going to see this. If you're not going to see this little thing on the side, but it is not a SIM card. Don't poke at it. It is an antenna for millimeter wave 5G. But besides that, I guess that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share. Did I say be sure? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. and hit that bell icon on my channel to get notifications every time I post a new video, which of course isn't that often, but I'm sure you guys would want to see the videos when they do go up. So like I said before, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.